Hello everyone, this is Joseph and you're watching Credit Commit, where we're committed to helping you build credit. Today I'm actually going to go over a trade line where it gives you $5,000 on your credit score as revolving credit. Important trade line, easy to get. You're almost always guaranteed to get this trade line. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe below and hit that bell so that way you get notified every time I drop a new video where I'm giving you tips and tricks on how to boost your credit score. So I'm actually going to go into the computer on this one and I'm going to pull up the website. I'm going to show you the process of how you go through it pretty much, and I'm going to explain to why it's important to actually have this trade line. Pretty cool trade line. Let's get right into it. All right, everyone, welcome. So basically the website is going to be called MyJewelersClub.com. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link in the description. I'm not affiliated with it at the time of this recording, so if you do click the link in the description, I don't make any money off of it. So basically the way this is set up is it's a $5,000 trade line. So you'll have $5,000 revolving credit. And let me explain how that works. This coincides with your credit utilization. So if you have a $300 secured credit card, let's say, and if you max out that $300 credit card and it reports, then basically it's going to show 100% utilization. But if you add this trade line to it, it adds $5,000 revolving credit. In order to sign up for this website, it is a buy-in of about $150 to start. Let me explain why. Alright, so in order to join, it's $99 to join. That's the membership fee. One-time membership fee, you pay $100, you're in. And you got to pretty much place an order. The order has to be $100. But the way this works is you buy an item that's $100, you only have to pay 50% upfront. Say you buy a watch. On this website, if you buy a watch, buy a $100 watch, you're paying $50 upfront, and then you're paying $30 a month until it's paid off. So that's how it works. So that's why to buy into the website, you're paying $150, and this reports to all three credit bureaus. That's another important factor, is that it reports to all three of them. Something like Fingerhut only reports to 2 credit bureaus. This reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. So this one has a bigger and better benefit than like going with a Fingerhut. And then Fingerhut limits you. This website, the jewelry isn't all that. They do have G-Shocks. That's what I ordered when I was using this. They have G-Shocks, but the rest of the jewelry, it looks pretty cheap. So you're pretty much doing this for the actual trade line. You're not doing it for the jewelry. And it's kind of a good thing because it's not going to tempt you to go ahead and like burn the whole $5,000, which you don't want to do. I feel like this trade line is going to be really important with a secured credit card. Let me explain why. Alright, so say you have a secured credit card that's $300, and then you have this trade line that's $5,000, right? If you max out that $300, have a total credit utilization of $5,300. This one for the $5,000, and then your $300 credit card. $5,300 total credit available to you. If you max out your secured credit card, then it wouldn't matter because 300 out of 5,300, it's about 5%. So you would be under 9%. 9% is perfect in order for you to have the perfect credit utilization. Everyone says stay under 30. Yeah, you do want to stay under 30%. That's really good. But staying under 9% is even better. So if you do this with a $300 one, if you max out that $300 credit card, it won't even matter because you're at like 5 or 6% credit utilization. So that's pretty good. Let me show you what it is you need. You do need to be a U.S. citizen as well. In order to sign up, you can click join now, but let me go ahead and show you how it works. Go through the process. All right, so here's how it works, right? It's easy approval even if you have bad credit. This is made for people with bad credit, to be 100% honest with you. And that's pretty much how they're making their money, by paying that $100 to sign up. But like I said, you're getting a $5,000 revolving credit, which is also excellent because when you go apply for another credit card, usually these other credit cards, they want to match your last offer. So if your last offer was $5,000, they want to come close to that. So that means you're going to get a couple $1,000s when you actually apply for your next credit card once you get your credit together. So it's going to help build your credit as well, because when you buy stuff, like I said, I was buying G-Shocks from here. So when you buy stuff, it's going to show on-time payment history all the time. It's going to show your revolving credit. The only thing that you actually need, you need to have at least $1,400 a month, which you can just put that you make $1,500 a month. If you make under that, you can just put you do make that. They're not going to ask you to prove it or anything. You need to be a citizen. You need a valid social security number, so that way they can report to the credit bureaus. And yeah, that's pretty much it. When you sign up, there is a form in there that you do have to go complete. That is something to be very, very, very diligent about. When you log into your account on My Jewelers Club, you go /client and enter the e-signed document. That's the only way they can report to the credit bureaus is if you sign this document. You don't sign this document, they cannot report to the credit bureau, so it'll kind of defeat the purpose of you having this account. That's something to take into consideration. So you do want to go ahead and fill out that e-signed document once you log into the account and once the account set up. This is made for somebody that has bad credit, and you're going to get a $5,000 revolving credit. So that way your utilization is going to look great. You're going to have, you're going to have low utilization. Excellent. It's going to boost your credit score. Pretty good. You want to keep this. I've had no problems with them. You just make sure you pay them on time. They're going to report on-time payment history. You got a $5,000 revolving credit on there for $150 to start. And say you want to order another G-Shock, then now you're only paying that $50, and then you're just paying the monthly bill. The monthly fee is $30 a month. So say you buy that G-Shock, you put $50 down on it, and then you're paying it off. To pay it off is going to be $50 minimum, or 5%. So say you went crazy and you maxed out the card, it's going to be 5%. I don't advise you to do that. Do one item at a time. Keep the utilization low, and that's what you're really using this for. In case you have an emergency and you need to max out your credit cards, guess what? You got that safety net because you got all this credit with that $5,000 revolving credit that's going to be saving you. So you do want to make sure you keep that up to date, pay on time, so that way you want this $5,000 because the next credit card is going to try to match it. That's just something to take into account. I'm going to keep this video short, sweet, to the point. It's going to be My Jewelers Club. Link is going to be in the description. Again, it's not an affiliate link. I'm not making money on this. It's just me giving you game on how you can add a $5,000 trade line to your credit for $150. In order for you to get a secure credit card, you got to put $300 down. This is giving you $5,000 revolving credit. So it looks like you actually have a credit card that's a $5,000 credit card reporting to your credit. Pretty amazing. Links in the description. Go ahead and sign up. I'm going to keep it short, sweet, boom, to the point. That's it. $5,000 trade line on your credit. Straight to the point. Let's get it. Thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and hit my face below so you can subscribe to the channel, and we got more tips and tricks to the right. So I want you to hit my face, and then we got tips and tricks to the right. Let's go ahead and go to the next video. I'm trying to help you boost your credit score, and we also have the free blueprint. If you don't have the blueprint, go ahead in the description and download that blueprint. It's free. Why not?